That's what Main Street looks like. It's really, really bitterly cold. The sky is really pretty. That sidewalk, that snowdrift. I really can't see anything. My face is all steamy. I had a scarf on. I made sure I bundled up. And yeah. I don't know if you want to see what I look like. That's what I look like. I love my boots. It's a beautiful tree. It's cool. I want it to snow, and here it is. The only downside about it is that Randy drives around in this all day, and that's the downside. And this is Owlback Street, so I wonder how his streets are. I just hope he's okay and he's safe. And that noise that you hear is a tow truck or one of those little thingies to shovel the driveway with from next door. The wind is still blowing kind of crazy here. Wrong way, buddy. One-way street. Even though there's a light there. Hey! I'm out here in the snow. And see, and show you. I'm amazed at the sky. I don't know if you can see it. It's really pretty. Really, really, really pretty. And I can't zoom with this thing, so. Look at that snow pile. That's cool. Okay. Stacy, I love that house. I was hoping to catch the kids in the window, but that's not happening. There's my neighbor's car. Ha ha! It's gonna take a little while to get that out of there. Alright. Guess they're not coming out to play. Okay. Go back in the same holes that I was in. Ah! I don't want to fall. Okay. My feet are not getting wet. My boots are fleece lined with a work boot bottom. I'm gonna walk. That's the tow truck driveway.